In this video, we will be looking at how to read from and write data to a file using fs module in JavaScript. So let's dive into the code. Hello friend, this is Codecraft. You can learn code fastly and efficiently. The best question is that what actually fs module do? Fs module is used to interact with your file system. The link file system can be used to read data from a file, can be used to write data to a file, and append data to file, and much more things. So the thing is that I'm making a script.js file here. So adding a file. Now the first thing is that I have to import fs module. Here I am using common.js const fs is equal to require fs. Now also you can also use the ECMAScript, is the which is the modern JavaScript syntax. Import, you can also use the import. So simply uh, I'll simply do the console log fs, and I'll open a terminal here, and now simply running the fs model.js. So here you can see there are much more functions and property you can use to interact with your system's file system using fs module. So this video is basically made for how to write data to a file and how to read data from a file, yeah, and how to append data. So make a file here, and I'll name it file.txt, and hello, this is fs. Simply go here, and what will I do? I will simply read data from this file using fs module function. So I'll simply type here fs dot read file, and now I have to give the path here. So I will file name, and so the first argument will be file name, and the second argument will be a data, a callback function which is accepts the data and an error. So simply I will give condition if data console.log, then console log the data, and now I will use the else condition also, else console.log. Now here error. Simply run this file, and you will see that the data will be read. So here you can see the data, an error has come. So I made a mistake. This is the first argument is error and the second argument is data. So I will be make this error, and here this will be data. And now I will run this file again. So here you can see the buffer has been retrieved to us. Now we have to convert this buffer into a string. For this we have to simply go here and type to string. ToString is a method which converts this buffer to the string. So I'll simply run this again. So you can see the data has been read from file. So now this is how you can read the data from a file. So another thing is that how to read write data to file. So I will simply comment this out, and now we'll be looking at how to write data to file. So for this we have to write fs dot write. So write file, this method which simply write to a file that are given to it, and I will simply give the file dot txt, and now here we go. We have to give a callback function. So In the callback function, I will give, it will accept only a single argument error, so I will put condition here if error and console.log. So this is how you can write a file. So I will simply run this program, and here you can see an error has been come. The cb argument was the type of function. So now the thing is that we have also to give the data here. So after the file name, you have to give the actual data you want to write to the file. So in the form of a string, I will give the data I want to write to file. So here the data will be simple. For example, I want to uh, hello, this is programming written data. So I will simply again run this file, and here you can see data has been written successfully. Go to the file, you can see the data has been written here. So as you can see, the previous data has been removed and the new data has been inserted. So if you want to append the data to the end of the file, not to remove the previous data, we can also do this using the append method of the JavaScript fs model. So this is I will simply command this, and here I will use fs.append file, and now the first argument will be the file name, file.txt, and the second argument will be the data you want to write to. I will simply hello, this is appended text, simply write this, and another thing is the error. Callback function which takes an error argument. If the error happens, something like a file missing, so there will be error come. So I will say if error, then console.log error, and also the error message, and else if they did not throw an error, so I will simply console log data has been appended. Now I will run this simply, and you can see the data has been appended successfully, and here you can see hello, this is appended text has been written to us. So this is how you can append data. If you want a new line here, simply add \n here, and I think this will not add a new line, so I will say yes, this will add a new line. So here you can see the new line has been added. So this is how you can use these three functions of fs module to interact with your file systems files in JavaScript. So that's all in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have a question, you can also comment me and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.